How to buy Melania Wif token. So this token came under the symbol of MWH. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token, they release it on the screener. If you go on the screener, so you will be find it, but I prefer to use the CoinMarketCap for that. It's the same because we need just the token address here. So as you can see, go and find this token on CoinMarketCap, copy the token address from here, as you can see. Now go and open your Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy of that token. And here you will be able to see how much you will receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here, or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Melania Wif or MWH token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.